Welcome to the EdbMails EDB to Office 365 Public Folder Migration, a step-by-step guide. EdbMails EDB to Office 365 Migrator makes it simple to move all your public folder data, emails, contacts, calendars, notes, and tasks from an offline EDB file to Office 365. It keeps the original folder layout intact and ensures a smooth, secure transfer. With features like incremental migration, automatic folder mapping, and powerful filters, you can easily migrate only the data you want. Let's walk through each step to migrate public folders from an EDB file to Office 365 using EdbMails.
Download EdbMails from the official website.
Click Download EdbMails. Click EdbMails Setup File.
Complete the installation process on your system.
Log into EdbMails application with the email address and password or click Start your free trial. Select EDB Recovery and Migration. Select EDB to Office 365. Keep the default job name or click New Job to change. Click Next to continue. Click Browse for EDB file. Select the EDB public folder file. Click Open. Click Next to continue. Wait until recovery operation completion. Expand the public folders. Select the folder you wish to migrate. Click Next to continue. Click Add New Connection to connect to the target Office 365.
Select the required migration operation.
Click Next to continue. Select one of the authentication method. Click Login to continue. Authenticate on Microsoft Sign-In page with Global Admin account.
Click Sign In.
Accept the required permissions. Select the required option to load the public folders. Click Next to continue. EdbMails automatically maps public folders between the source and target servers. Click Start Migration.
Migration operation under progress.
Upon migration completion, you will get the migration completion message. Click the View Logs button to get the migration report. That's it for a hassle-free EDB public folder to Office 365 migration. Visit edbmails.com today.